Which dry spices enhance blood circulation and promote heart wellness? Spices are not just for making our food tasty, they also have many health benefits. Some dry spices can help improve blood circulation and support heart health. Let's explore how to use these spices and how they can keep our hearts healthy. Dry spices that enhances blood circulation and promote heart health. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice often used in curry. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory properties and helps improve blood flow. It can also reduce the risk of heart disease by improving the function of the lining of blood vessels. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a sweet and warm spice that can be added to many dishes. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are important for heart health. Cinnamon also improves blood circulation by increasing the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels. 3. Garlic powder. Garlic powder is made from dried and ground garlic. It is known for its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Garlic contains allicin, which helps prevent the hardening of arteries and improves blood circulation. Regular consumption of garlic powder can significantly benefit heart health. 4. Ginger. Ginger is a spicy and aromatic root that can be dried and ground into a powder. It helps improve blood circulation by preventing blood clots and reducing cholesterol levels. Ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties, which are good for the heart. 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a hot spice that adds heat to dishes. It contains capsaicin, a compound that improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure. Capsaicin also helps prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, promoting a healthy heart. 6. Black pepper. Black pepper is a common spice found in every kitchen. It contains piperine, which enhances blood circulation and helps lower blood pressure. Black pepper also improves the absorption of other nutrients and spices, making them more effective. 7. Cardamom. Cardamom is a sweet and fragrant spice used in many desserts and drinks. It helps lower blood pressure and improves blood circulation. Cardamom also has antioxidant properties, which protect the heart from damage. 8. Cloves. Cloves are aromatic flower buds often used in baking and cooking. They have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cloves help improve blood circulation and lower cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. 9. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a warm spice with a slightly sweet flavor. It helps improve blood circulation and has anti-inflammatory properties. Nutmeg can also lower cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for the heart. How to use these spices. Incorporating these spices into your diet is easy. Here are some ideas. 1. Turmeric. Add it to soups, stews, and rice dishes. 2. Cinnamon. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, or fruit. 3. Garlic powder. Use it in marinades, sauces, and dressings. 4. Ginger. Add it to teas, smoothies, and stir-fries. 5. Cayenne pepper. Use it to spice up soups, chili, and roasted vegetables. 6. Black pepper. Add it to almost any savory dish. 7. Cardamom. Use it in baking, tea, and coffee. 8. Cloves. Add them to curries, baked goods, and hot drinks. 9. Nutmeg. Sprinkle it on desserts, coffee, and vegetables. Spices not only add flavor to our food, but also offer significant health benefits, especially for heart health and blood circulation, including turmeric, cinnamon, garlic powder, ginger, cayenne pepper, black pepper, cardamom, cloves, and nutmeg in your diet, can help keep your heart healthy and improve your overall well-being. Remember to use these spices regularly and enjoy the delicious taste and health benefits they provide. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more great content.